Like, CEOs have feelings too. And I think that really resonated.
Incoming call from JC.
Wait, Ma, I gotta take this. It's a famous person.
Hey, man. How's it going?
Hey, Keith, you got a sec?
Pete.
Hey, you know that travel tripod you sent me a while back? I love it. It's sick.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Yeah, it's like the Meru of tripods, right?
But I'm doing some bigger stuff these days. I need something a little more pro.
More pro.
Yeah, okay. I'm all ears.
Yeah, like what do you have in mind?
Well, Keith, since you asked, you know I put my gear through its paces. Long days, out in the elements, covering lots of ground. So I need a burly, top-of-the-line pro tripod that's still portable enough to carry to any destination.
So like a big tripod, but small.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. What else?
It needs to have a lightning-fast setup. This thing's gotta be like boom, boom, done. As fast as my travel tripod. But I need something beefier. Stout legs, thick center column, fully CNC'd hub, grippy feet. I need a more robust ball head too. When I set my camera down on it, I want it to be just like bam, instantly locked in. It needs to be stronger, more secure. I love the one-handed adjustability, but this time it needs panning. Super smooth, fluid panning built right in.
Yep. What else?
Oh, that reminds me. I've been taking a lot more video lately.
Video? 1 sec, Jimmy. We're gonna need more whiteboards.
We don't have any more whiteboards!
And here's the deal. I don't want to lug a giant video tripod around with me everywhere I go. So I need a way to convert this into a video tripod in a pinch. Extendable handle, fluid pan, and tilt, spring-loaded counterbalance, and it's all gotta be small and light enough to hit the backcountry.
Hey, Jimmy, Max again. I just want to make sure I'm getting this down right. You want something like our travel tripod, but beefed up with the stability and capacity to handle pro cameras in any environment, plus the functionality of a fluid video tripod, all in something that packs down way smaller than any other pro tripod, and is also twice as fast to set up and unbelievably intuitive and satisfying to use thanks to meticulous refinements to every single assembly and touchpoint.
Yes, and it also works with my phone. So if you could magically hide a brilliant little phone mount in there somewhere, that'd be great.
Yeah, man, fish in a barrel. No problem.
Yeah, all pretty straightforward. Thanks, Keith. Talk soon.
It's actually...
Introducing the Pro Tripod Family by Peak Design. The revolutionary architecture of our travel tripod, re-engineered and rebuilt for professionals. Available in Pro, Pro Light, and Pro Tall sizes. And with 2 sets of limited quantity rewards. One to get it fast, and one to get a bigger discount by waiting until after our retail launch. See our Kickstarter page and pick your tripod video for details. These tripods are beefed up. Ultra sturdy legs, machined aluminum hub, and a flanged carbon fiber center column. They handle any rig in any environment, yet still pack down smaller and faster than anything in their class. The ball head's beefed up too. It grabs your camera faster, holds it stronger, and provides more security. It has built-in fluid panning and can be used with the center column down. Shooting video? We got you with a compact, first-of-its-kind accessory that turns Pro Tripod into a video tripod, or a leveling base that mates our sticks with your video head. We meticulously refined every touch point, from the leg cams, to the angle adjusters, to the integrated hex tool, to the protective carry sleeve. And it even works with your phone via 2 accessories, a simple stowable phone mount or the more robust Creator Kit. Fully serviceable, climate label certified, and guaranteed for life. Back it now on Kickstarter for an exclusive limited time discount. Thanks for your support.